Hi guys, welcome to the channel Night for Glory. Today we are doing the second part of the PC building basic series, that is how to install a graphic card. First of all, we need to remove all the cables from the PC and then remove the side panel of the PC to look at all the internals. Then we need to locate the PCIe Express slot. It is usually located nearest to the CPU. The connector between the motherboard and graphic card is made up of two different size parts, so you won't get it wrong. Just align the graphic card correctly and give it a firm press and it should connect correctly. Next up comes the power cables from the power supply. Some graphic cards need them, some don't. The Nvidia GTX 1050 featured in the video does need a 6-pin power cable. The connector for the power supply cables is located at the top right hand corner of the graphic. Now connect the display cable from the monitor to the graphic card instead of the motherboard. Then comes the software part. First you need to uninstall the previous graphic drivers if you had any. Then you need to install the new graphic card drivers depending on your graphic card. The links for both Nvidia and AMD will be given in the description below. Like the video if you liked it. If there is any question in your mind, just ask it in the comments below and subscribe to Night for Glory.